So today I'm at Arva Park and going for my winter hike. And after the snow, this is my first hike, and I love this trail over here. And there is a big span of trees which I love to walk on. So weather is not nice right now. It's very windy, very uh, chilly right now. Let me see the temperature. So temperature is -4, but it feels like -13 with the wind chill. So it's pretty cold right now. Had very slushy, and now everything is frozen up and it's very slippery as well. So I need to be very careful on this trail. Wind last night, lots of trees have fallen down. So this is going to be very interesting, I guess, and going to be a very challenging hike today. You can hear the forest sound. It's very windy right now. Action. Trail, but right now it's very messy. Oh, the sound of the wind is so aggressive. So this is the span of trees which I was talking about. So I love this section of the trail. It's a walk, long walk, but with trees on both sides. So right now I'm wearing multiple layers. So under my jeans I'm wearing a layer, and then jeans, and then I'm wearing a shirt, one jacket, and then this hoodie, which helps me keeping warm. And I have tried this setup in -20, -25 temperature. It worked very well. The only thing which I forgot today is my face cover. Seeing anyone on this section, although I did saw a few people walking their dogs, but this section is very quiet. Fields on my right hand sides, and you can see it's very windy, snow is blowing. So this section has some water which is going into the forest. So this section has some water, so I need to be very careful. Yeah, okay. Oh, slushy. So this is a little bit slippery area. So this section also has some slushy patch. This is a bit difficult. Looks fine. Okay, I'll go from this section. We have some leaves still on the trees, although they are dried, but still on the trees. So still they are managing to hang on. Eh? Kids made this kind of a shelter, so let me go and see from inside. Oh, hey, how are you? So I'm pretty close to the end of hike. So I'm very careful. Okay, now I'm good. Walking on snow is easy, but walking on ice, we need to be careful. Okay, so I'm back in my car and had a good hike. It was cold, but it was very refreshing. I loved it. It was very refreshing. I felt like nature is healing my brain and my body. So I had a good time. See you guys again. Thank you. And if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.